Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in public market. I would like to show you in the inside. So let's go. First, public market is very traffic. It's a lot parking motorbike. There is building the fruit market. So I will try for public market. So let's go. Water. Wait. Today is Tuesday, so that's why it's very like traffic, like crowded. So let's go inside the public market. I only hold the camera, guys. And entrance in public market. Vegetable, onions, salt, dry fish. First here in the chicken, meat the chicken. I front the camera. Here, egg. Dry fish again. Chicken. May here the area is meat, pork. So the first I show you the meat, guys, before I go to the fish area.
Mama to, ma'am. Oh.
Yeah, video ko ya. Oh, vlogger. And the outside is vegetable, guys. Very cloudy because very hot. Hello. Meat, pork here pork area. So I will go again in the inside for fish area. Hello. Tibo ko kalimutan. The portion of the pork, he asked me where make the video. I said all the word. Here is fish area here. Oh, 120 per kilo. 120. Pork. First area, guys.
160. Eh, mamsa. Tiwas atong mamsa rin.
160. Seafood. 160, 180, 140. 120, guys. 100. Per kilo. 140. Oh, air is good for smoked fish, guys. If you go to the swimming in the ocean. Good. Bangus. Oh, it's good. It's good for the first fish for eating.
Order mo kayo sa niya? Order, bibigyan natin mo
There is Sari store for ingredients. Oh, salty fish, guys. Salty fish. Oh. Salty fish. And then next, guys, I will go to the fruit market. I would like that order because I'm done here in the public market. So the next is fruit market. Fruit market. It's a lot of vegetable. So now I'm outside in the public market. I will go to the fruit markets. Fish carrier. So if you buy the fish there, buy here the street. If you go to the street, the road here, guys, is the coffee with sticky rice. So now I'm going to the fruit markets. Then the other people is eating for the lunch. Here, banana, guys. Vegetable. And young coconut, guys. Pila yung butong? 25 coconut if you buy.
Welcome to my vlog.
Welcome to my vlog. Young coconut and old coconut. Banana. Mango. It's a lot of fruit. What's there? Mango, lemon. Excuse me. Apple. Wow. Junk fruits. Pila po niyong kuan niya?
120 ang
120 ang
kilo.
kilo kani?
Yes.
Oh.
Ilang kilo dere? Pila ni dere no?
Watermelon.
Ilang kilo?
Papaya. I think later I buy the fruits. Wow. So buy the fruits because it's already cut. And then it's papaya. Ikaw tagiya?
20.
Nagbantay ka dere day? Pila ni day?
20.
20. Ay, to my vlog.
Hi.
Wait. Wait sa. Pumunta na sa ako. Pumunta sa pilis ako, ha? Pwede mo na, what is your name?
My name is Shailene.
Helen? Thank you. Peanuts. Pila imong kilo yung peanuts? Ito imong kuanti man eh?
25.
125. Okay.
Ano pa yung 110?
Balik konti. Tanong sa ko. One. Peanuts, guys, 110. And then have one. It's depend for the peanuts. There another salad fruit here, guys. Ay, that is making for peanut butter. Pila ang kwante? Bottle? 150 and...
Tatay, no salt, no sugar.
Kani, 150? 100 and then
No salt, no sugar na siya.
150.
150 rin at bottle.
Oh, it's nice, oh.
Tapos bagong kuan.
Wala na siya tayong manira, wala yung sagol.
Ang kanang ako kani siya pinagaling raman ni.
Oh,
Kana na ako manira walay masita.
oh, okay. Only the peanuts, guys. The making. Okay, thank you, te. Here, the pure peanuts. $125 per kilo. Oh, 1 per kilo. It's already cooked, pila day?
140.
140.
60 skinless.
Already cooked, guys. And then kanang 160. Okay. Let's Napa ni hangyo? I asked guys if I have discount. He said that is the price. So I look for another, guys. For what is the for sale here? For sale here?
Kasi man na. Ano ba yung gabiya kayo? Gabiya. Ngani man ma? Ngani raman?
And then here, guys, is canteen. Simple.
Same my day.
Pwede ra ko, te. Oh, sure. Oh, English ate kay foreigner ang gitanaw, te. Hello, ante. Wow, balbakuwa. Okay, te, promote, te. Building 8. Oh, okay. So, I will little disturb to ante. What's the name again, te?
Melcon Eatery.
Ano, what is your name?
Julieta Cabajo.
Ah, and she's the owner?
Yes.
Wow. So, yung more dito yung customer, te.
Follow lang mo sa Jules Marina. Kita ka ninyo.
Okay. And then, tagpila yung price, te, sa yung pagkaon.
Barato ra. Ano presyong pangmasa.
Okay.
Humba is 50-40.
Okay.
Ginaling 50-40. Pansit 10-20.
About the fish, bangus.
50-50. So, you have choice.
And then, how about the rice?
Only 10.
Wow!
Like, liglig. Liglig at umapaw.
Wow! So, I would like to show you guys. Thank you, te!
Thank you. God bless.
God bless to. That is the food, guys. If you're walking here in Dumaguete, just coming in the building 8, building 3, and building 8. That's the food, guys. Look, delicious, guys. Ang humba. There. And then that is the people for eating there, for the lunch. So, I continue in the outside, guys. Let's go! Just walking here. Hi! What is your name? Si Mangalan? Chinami. Are you working here? Yes. She's working here. So, that's the parcel, the egg, guys. Thank you, Dai. Walking here, guys. Okay. So now I'm complete. I buy the peanuts and
All.
fruit,
Photo be.
junk fruit and papaya. So bye bye.